Okay, bud. So here's how I'm gonna do this by numbers, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So go ahead and tell me which one you want.
You can just pick any one you want.
Or you can pick a number between 1 and 16, and I'll tell you which one it is, whichever you want to do.
This one.
He can't say. It's
you
gotta count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He wants number
This one here.
10. Yep.
Yeah. Oh wait, you can't see my mouse?
No. So you ready, baby? Is this the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
All right, here we go. You ready?
Yep. You're gonna love what they look like.
Look at Alfie.
He's the pilot.
Okay. It's time to click. I'm very nervous.
I'm nervous.
Oh boy. Oh boy. It's Adam! Yes! Our common collection is almost complete! So excited. All right, let's see him.
Wait, why is this so exciting, guys? Tell me.
Okay, so here we go. So we've got our Prince Adam. That's awesome. All right, so let's see why it is exciting. This is great for us. So we want all 4 commons. I know that, right? So we want all 4 commons. We want the original characters, the way they looked on the show, and toys. And we want a Battle Cat, and we want a He-Man. So this will be just like having the original toys.
Yeah.
We now have Cringer, evil-lyn, and Prince Adam.
And all we need is now tri-klops, Battle Cat, and He-Man.
Right. And we have a He-Man. Right? Yeah. So we now have 4 of 6 that we need all in a row.
We need 2 more for these guys. Yeah.
And all these guys are cool, and I want these too. But really, having the originals, growing up with this is my favorite. So we're getting there. Let's go real quick. Let's go look at the backpack again one more time.
I'm trying to get.
And there we go. Look, Prince Adam becomes He-Man. Cringer will become Battle Cat. We have an evil-lyn and a tri-klops. We're getting there, bud. All right, so there you have it. That's everything. We will be back with more tomorrow and every day as we work our way through all of these cubes. Thanks for watching, everybody.